This is huge. Okay. Puffy blankets. Okay. Oh my god! This is so freaking beautiful! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today is a very beautiful day and I just got back from the YouTube Shorts event. We had the YouTube Shorts boot camp and I just received my beautiful package from YouTube, courtesy of YouTube Shorts, and I can't wait to unbox this together with you. So hey guys, we're back from the YouTube Shorts event, and y'all know I attended the YouTube Shorts bootcamp, and YouTube hosted us. It was a beautiful day with YouTube, which I am excited about. And guys, I wasn't able to film my video for this makeup, but yes, if y'all want to see a makeup tutorial on how I did this look, do let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to do a recreation of this look on my channel. And yes guys, we have a beautiful one from YouTube, and guys, we have a gift from YouTube courtesy of YouTube Shorts. And I just got back from the YouTube Shorts boot camp, and I got a welcome package gift from YouTube Shorts, and I can't wait to unbox this together with y'all. And if y'all want to see what we got from YouTube, stay tuned. Let's go on guys to do the unboxing. I'm gonna take you guys along. Okay, ready? Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh, what is this? What is this? Wow. This is huge. Okay. Puffy blankets. Okay. Oh my god, this is so freaking beautiful. Oh my goodness. Thumbnail. Let's take a thumbnail. This one will be its own separate unboxing. We got a cup! YouTube Shorts! Oh my god. The cup here, YouTube Shorts. Oh my god. Okay. Woo. Okay. Boys. Ooh. Oh. Oh, this one did not even show the YouTube Shorts very well. There's the YouTube Shorts. Ooh. Oh my goodness. We got a water bottle! 50 ml! Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa! This is so cool. Is that all? And that's not all, guys. Socks! We got the socks! YouTube Shorts. What's here? That's all of it, guys. Oh, thank you.
I've been losing sleep. What to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep.
YouTube shorts. Yes.
Got it in my head night and
So
day.
nice.
We are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your
It's so
hand in
nice.
mine.
You can put your water bottle here.
Closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end
You
of
can put your water bottle here.
the time we made.
Like, guys.
Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it.
Let me sit. Let me sit and see.
Let's get it on. We got it going. Stay strong. Oh, it looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going.
Feels so good. Ooh. Ooh. I've been meaning to have this kind of chair. Oh my god! Ooh, I'm having a headache. Okay, are we done? No enter. Yes.
Wake me from this dream.
Okay.
I need to get in closer to you. I swear you
Whoa.
might see. Oh, baby.
Okay. Okay, YouTube. We're here for it. YouTube shorts. Oh my god.
I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the
Hey.
line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stay strong.
Puffy what? Puffy blanket. Are you sure I want to open this thing now?
It looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stay strong. It looks like we made it. Yeah, it looks like we.
Wow. Oh my god. YouTube shorts. Oh my god. Shorts. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Oh. So beautiful.
I've been losing sleep. What to do?
Wow, thank you.
Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it.
And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and also hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed already. Don't leave the channel without subscribing, and make sure to turn on your post notification bell, and also hit the like button and check out my other videos to stay connected. Bye guys.
Wake me from this dream I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you might succeed. Oh baby,